G'day guys, Greg here. Now I was walking through Woolies the other day and I came across this product here. Some ham steaks. I picked them up on special, of course. And I thought, well, what can I make with this? And then I thought, Grego, you've got to make a ham and pineapple burger. So that's what I'm making today. A ham and pineapple burger, so delicious. Let me show you the ingredients I'm using today. Well, for this burger I'm using, well, you're going to need some ham and pineapple. You'll need a bread roll, of course, some onion, tomato, cheese. I've got some lettuce, even though this is rocket. I got some American mustard, man. Yeehaw! Some barbecue sauce, some mayonnaise, and of course, you're gonna need some butter. Now, did you know that cows invented butter? Yeah, they took up jogging one day and before you knew it, they were churning out butter by the tubload. Anyway, it's time to start cooking. So first of all, we want to grab our bun, cut it in half, because we want to stick some butter on there and give it a nice light toasting. The butter will make sure it adds some delicious extra flavours to the burger. Now I'll just be cooking it in the frying pan today. I've been heating it up. I'll just see if it's... Oh, yeah, that's warm enough. And I'll just give these buns a light toasting. And while they're doing their thing, I'll just prepare a few slices of tomato and nothing better than some red onion on a burger. Some very thin slices. And by that stage, the buns should be toasted. Oh, have a look at that. Beautiful. Couple of days. And now it's time to add the ham. These are actually quite big, thick pieces. They'll cook nicely. So we'll stick on the ham. We've got the pineapple here too. 1 or 2 slices, up to you. I might just stick with the one for now, unless I chuck another one in for good measure. And then onto here, I'm going to stick some barbecue sauce. What we want to do is glaze these things in the barbecue sauce. Get them nicely coated on both sides. And the sugar in the sauce will make these taste great. And what we do is we just need to keep coming and flipping them over every now and then. But while they're reducing and getting warm and half cooking, I'll just start getting this burger ready. So I'll put some mayonnaise on the bottom. Spread it out a little. Add my lettuce, aka rocket today. Some tomato. And onion. I might just add a bit of salt, even though I shouldn't because the ham's salty. But I do like to add salt to tomatoes. And on the top bun, I'm going to add some American mustard, man. Yeehaw! Because mustard goes really well with ham. Now quick, let's get back to the stove. Oh yeah. See how it's got a nice bit of crust on there now? Oh, mama. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Oh boy, that barbecue sauce goes right up your nose. That felt good. Well, they're looking pretty good, aren't they? And hopefully it's heated through nicely. Yep, right. Nice. So I reckon we start throwing this burger together. So I'll get my nicely glazed ham steak. Put that on there. I'll add the cheese on there. That can start melting. A couple of slices of pineapple. And the bun on top. And there we have it. A delicious ham and pineapple burger. This is a real hamburger too. And it could be classed as vegetarian because there's no meat on it. Well, let's go. Oh. Oh mate, that tastes so good. That barbecue sauce glaze adds a really nice flavour to this. So does the caramelisation of that pineapple. And all the other ingredients, the mayo, especially the mustard and ham go so well together. Mate, it's just a delicious fresh burger that tastes great. And I need some more. That's good. Well, hope you enjoy your ham and pineapple burger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the